Hello everyone, it's Red Saber here from Saber C++, and today we're going to be learning about the HC-SR04 ultrasonic distance sensor. If you want to follow along, I've put a few links in the description so you can get what you need. This is the HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor. As you can see, it has 4 pins for connecting to the Arduino and 2 large silver cylinders for sending and receiving sound waves. So we can send out a sound from the left one, it'll bounce off an object, and we'll receive the sound on the right one. We can judge how far away the object is based on how long it takes for the sound wave to get there and back to the sensor. To use the sensor, I'll connect this red wire from the VCC pin on the sensor to the 5-volt port on the Arduino. Next, I'll connect this black wire from the ground pin on the sensor to one of the ground pins on the Arduino. Then I'll connect this green wire from the trigger pin on the sensor, which is short for trigger, to port 9 on the Arduino. And lastly, I'll connect this orange wire from the echo pin on the sensor to port 8 on the Arduino. That's all of the wiring. Let's get coding. First, let's declare an integer called trig pin and set it to the port we connected the trigger pin to, in this case port 9. Then, let's declare another integer called echo pin, and we'll set this one to 8, as that's where we connected the echo pin. Let's also declare 2 floats called pulse duration and distance in centimeters. In the setup function, we'll initialize the serial monitor using serial.begin 9600. Then, let's set the pin mode of the trigger pin to output and the pin mode of the echo pin to input. We'll turn the trigger pin on to emit a signal, and we'll read from the echo pin to determine how far away the object is. In the loop function, let's use digital write to set the trigger pin to high. Then we'll delay for 10 milliseconds, and then set the trigger pin to low. Then we'll set the pulse duration variable we created up above to pulse in echo pin high. This function will read how long the echo pin is set to high. In order to turn this into a distance in centimeters, we can simply multiply it by 0.017. Next, we'll print it out to the serial monitor, first printing distance, space, then the distance in centimeters, and then cm for centimeter. This last one should be a print line statement so that we create a new line for the next time the loop function runs. The last thing we'll do is delay for half a second so that we can read the values easier in the serial monitor. Make sure your board is connected, and use the upload button to upload your code. Speaking of buttons, if this video has been helpful to you, please tap the like button. As you can see, we're now printing out the distance between the ultrasonic sensor and whatever is in front of it. If you want to learn more about Arduino and the modules you can use with it, check out my channel, Saber C++. Thanks for watching.